In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Excel to build and analyze budgets. Copilot in Excel makes budgeting feel simple by letting you describe what you want in plain English and then doing the heavy lifting for you. Instead of wrestling with complex formulas, you can turn raw numbers into organized budgets, spending insights and clear visuals in just a few prompts. Start by opening Excel and clicking the Copilot icon to open the pane on the side. That's where you'll type your request. If you're beginning a new plan, try a straightforward prompt like create a monthly budget for groceries. Copilot will generate a clean table with categories and amounts, add the formulas for totals, and set you up so actuals can be compared against your budget as you go. If you already have spending data in your workbook, Copilot uses it to make those comparisons meaningful. Next, refine the prompt to match your needs. You can specify a time frame, categories, or a target amount. Plain language works best. For example, you might say, create a monthly household budget with groceries, housing, utilities, and transportation and include a total. Copilot will update the table, adjust formulas, and keep everything linked so that changes flow through automatically. To analyze how you're spending, ask Copilot to look for patterns. A helpful prompt is, show spending trends in housing. Copilot will scan the relevant data, surface insights over time, and generate visuals that make trends obvious at a glance. It can add charts that compare actuals to your budget, so you can see where you're over or under in each category. As you review the results, make quick adjustments by replying with what you want changed. You can say, well, increase groceries to 450 walls, or add a category for childcare, and Copilot will recalculate totals, update comparisons, and keep charts in sync. This back and forth is the key benefit. You're guiding the budget with plain language, and Copilot handles the structure. Keep an eye on the formulas and totals Copilot provides, especially if you've customized categories. If anything looks off, clarify your intent in your next prompt. Being specific about time periods, categories, or the sheet you want Copilot to use helps it deliver exactly what you need. In short, click the Copilot icon, enter prompts like create a monthly budget for groceries or show spending trends in housing, and let it build tables, add formulas, compare actuals to budget, and generate charts. With this workflow, you can create, track, and adjust budgets faster, whether you're managing household expenses or business finances.